Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Brandon Wolfel. I'm a freelance photographer based out of New York. And it's been a minute since I last uploaded on here, or like 3 months. But I'd like to preface that by saying I'm not a full-time YouTuber by any means. It's something I love to do when I have the free time, and lately I've been super booked on other photography projects, which is always a good thing, but I'd love to be more consistent on this channel. If you completely forgot about me, you're probably not following me on my other platforms. I'm super active on my Instagram and my Twitter. They're both at Brandon Wolfel. But since I've been away, I've been up to a lot of fun things. I just got back from a trip to San Francisco with Adobe Photoshop, where I got a sneak peek on some new stuff dropping. I also went to Ireland for the first time ever, and of course took a ton of photos. I filmed a class with Skillshare all about my photo and editing process, which will be released in the fall. And I also released prints. I'll make sure to talk more in depth about these at the end of the video. And if you can't wait, I'll make sure to leave a link right in the description down below so you can check them out. But to hop into today's video, me and my good friend Isabella, who, just also happens to be a ballet dancer, shot around Brooklyn, New York, and filmed all the behind the scenes for you to watch. We also filmed one of these last summer, and you guys seem to enjoy that. So here's a part 2. Let's get into it.
Like the flower thing, we'll make the picture and then... Oh, you got this. Do you see this? I'm canceled. I'm leaving.
And go. A little faster.
The wind is not working with me right now.
And go. Perfect. And go. Good. Look up. Pretty good. Like, yeah. Look over here a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna have Isabella kind of in the middle of the street here, and we're gonna use this light. It's an LED video light to light her because there's nothing really in the foreground lighting her. Okay, and go. Sounds good. welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed all the photos I shot with Isabella. As always, let me know down below which was your favorite image we shot throughout the video. And if you want a better look into some of the photos we shot, I'll be sure to share those to my Instagram. But before I go, I did want to go over some details regarding my prints for any of you that are curious. So I'll be offering these 3 images in an unframed or framed piece like this, or in the form of a wall decal, which you can easily apply or reapply to any wall. And finally, I'll be offering all of those 3 images all together in a smaller wall decal bundle, which is my personal favorite because, you know, you get all 3. But thank you guys so much for the support thus far on the prints, because this is my first time selling them. And I can confirm I have some more videos in the works, so I'll see you soon. Bye!